Welcome to another episode on using ADMS, also known as Aquadata Management System. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at submitting harvest reports. The harvest reports can also be known as your sales reports on ADMS. To select the date in which you want to submit your harvest, select the pond in which you're submitting harvest for, and you proceed. So we have a few fields to fill when submitting harvest. The number of fish that you have harvested. Very important for us to have this number. Some people have estimates, but it's very important to have an exact number so that your data can be estimated correctly. So let's say we are harvesting 100 fish. Total weight harvested, let's say 120 kg. Then the amount you sold the entire fish, not the amount you sold each fish. The total amount you sold the entire 100 fish that has been harvested. Let's put in and continue. So once you have inputted this and you click continue, that data will be recorded and will be found in your report page. If you have any questions or any confusions, please drop it in the comment section and I'll respond to that. See you in the next episode.